Wow. So you think Santa will like these red and green M&Ms?
I don't know. I never met the guy. He does exist.
They do exist. Santa?
Wow, would you look at that? You must have thought this was made in a studio with a ton of editing, but every ad you're watching right now was generated using Medio AI. As you can see, the quality looks flawless and it almost looks like this is real and not AI generated.
Upgrade your shower with Dove Fragrance and Care.
Now look at the difference between a real ad by Dove and the one generated using Medio AI. This is the interface of Medio AI. It's pretty straightforward. You have your projects to your right, and in the middle you have the text box where you can add your AI prompt and generate awesome AI generated videos. Now let's use Medio AI to generate a cinematic ad film. Now we'll generate a cinematic ad for Apple AirPods like this one using Medio AI. So let's get started. Now let's paste our prompt and I'll select the aspect ratio to 9:16 and then I'll click on more and select the duration and then the asset resource to AI video. Then I'll keep the style to auto and just click on generate. Medio AI generates photo and then convert those into video. The cool thing is that you can use the prompt box to change and add videos to the timeline, which I love using. Now I'll show you how to make changes into the video, like the changes I've made here. Like for example, I want to change a clip in between, so I'll just type the prompt and Medio AI will give me some options that I can choose from, and I'll choose this option. After that, the AI will ask me one more option to create a better generation. After that, Medio AI will generate the image and automatically generate the video and place it on the timeline, as you can see right here. Now just for fun, I'll add one more video that I'll add in the product ad. Now just like before, Medio has generated the photo first, and then it will convert that into video and add that into the timeline. Then you can make the changes accordingly. Now we'll just export it and look how Medio AI made an ad film by just a simple prompt. Have you ever wondered how animated explainer videos like these are made? It's actually really easy. With just one prompt, you can make these videos. Now we'll make an explainer video just like this one using Medio AI. It's actually very easy and can be made in seconds. Like before, we'll just write the prompt in the box and select the aspect ratio to 16:9 and make the changes we want. Now we can also add the voiceovers, so let's choose it.
As we stand at the cross.
Discover how our latest breakthrough in AI can streamline. Welcome to your new smart home, where every command.
This sounds good. Now let's click on generate. As you can see, this looks so good. Like even the subtitles are generated automatically. Now let's check out the animation.
Even when you achieve great results, do you feel it's just luck? That's imposter syndrome.
The animation looks really smooth and very detailed. It's crazy how one prompt can generate a whole video. And like any other video, you can edit it using Medio AI and also expand the duration of the video. After editing, you can just export the video by clicking the export button.
Even when you achieve great results, do you feel it's just luck? That's imposter syndrome. It prevents you from recognizing your true abilities, making you attribute every success to chance or misunderstanding. The causes? Childhood perfectionism, constant comparison with others, and overwhelming societal expectations. Fight back by recognizing your doubts, rethinking success sources, sharing with trusted friends, and building supportive environments. You deserve your achievements.
So if you want to make awesome AI ads and explainer videos, you can check out Medio AI from the link in description. This is the pricing of Medio AI. You can try it out for free, but I would recommend you to buy the Pro plan. I will add the UTM link in the video description that you can check it out at the end of the video. If you made it this far, consider subscribing, and if you want to know how I generate my voiceovers, watch this video.